I'm crawling around, searching for higher ground. Can't see in front of me, my enemies. I've tried every possibility, ability to know if I can bleed. If that's what you wanted, you won't get it tonight. 'Cause I can fly, I can fly, I can fly, yeah. I can fly.
Yo guys, what is going on? It is Mr. Crayfish and welcome to day 4 of a mod week. I haven't changed around the actual mod for today. Let me go ahead and fix that up real quickly. I always keep forgetting to do that. Let me change it around real quickly. Today we are creating an arcade mod. Now this is probably going to be the most difficult mod of mod week. I was trying to think, I was looking through all the suggestions last night. I was like, I want to do something cool at the same time, but I was like, a lot of people suggested complex ideas as well. There was an idea that I really liked, but I felt like it would be like me just doing yesterday again. I'm not sure if they're here, but somebody actually suggested like bumper cars. Somebody suggested bumper cars. I think it was Alpha Think. He's here already. He suggested bumper cars, and I was like, damn, that's a cool idea. But then, I just literally created a vehicle mod yesterday. To me, it feels like that should actually be in the vehicle mod. But then again, I guess we could go it's kind of arcade. I don't know. But how's everybody going today? How's everybody going? Welcome to my sponsors. I don't know, because today I was mixed between a couple of ideas, because we can change ideas real quickly right now if we really want to. We've got arcade mod, which what I want to do today, guys, what is proposed today is to create a claw machine. But it would be a lot of work. So let me know if I should do it or not. Otherwise we could do bumper cars today, or we could do a soccer mod, which I had in mind. A soccer or football, soccer, whatever you like to call it in your country. Soccer, football. That you could actually play in pass the ball to other people and score goals, have a match. That'd be some insane action right there. So let me know what you think. What should we do today? Because we can I don't know exactly if I want to do this claw machine, because there's a lot of things to it to actually make it work. A lot of things to it actually to make it work well. I mean, I can cut out some stuff. I was wanting to implement a GUI, but then I'm like, yeah, I don't know if I want to implement a GUI. I don't see much purpose. What do you mean? What do you mean, dude? Rainbow Kappa. What do you mean, Rainbow Kappa? Make a Pac-Man arcade machine. Yeah, that's the thing. I can't it's not that simple, creating a game or something like that. It's not that simple, so I gotta be careful. I don't know, maybe I do something else. Bumper cars. I don't know, let's do a straw poll. Let's see what you guys think. So I'm gonna do a straw poll right now. You guys go and vote on this in a second right now. What should we do today? So I'll put arcade mod at the top. The next idea was bumper cars, and the last idea was soccer, football, mod. Alright, create poll. and then I'll get this to you in a second. Alright. I don't see a reason why to make a claw machine. It'd be a wasted day, I think. I don't see it as a wasted day. I just see it as taking too long and going outside of the bounds of, you know, what Mod Week is, and, you know, so vote. Alright, vote guys, see what's up. Let's see what's up here. This will be interesting. Alright, just waiting on you guys. But yeah, I was really tossed up on, like, you know, what I should actually do today, because claw machine would be cool, but it's just gonna take, there's a lot of stuff to it, because like what I would want to do to it is actually have a claw machine, have the claw so you can control it. There'd be animations involved. How would the prizes work? Would it be like a GUI? So go vote now. Go vote now, guys, at that link. We need some more votes in here to get a better, you know, majority vote of what people want to see. So if you haven't already, make sure you go vote. Vote right now, guys. Vote right now. Link is in the chat. Link is in the chat right now. Because like I really want, like, I feel like I should really do some like multiplayer type mods. I feel like that's like one thing that would be really cool, is like multiplayer type mods. We haven't got enough votes. Come on, there's 31 people watching right now. 32 people watching right now. Come on, vote. Vote right now. Only 17 votes. Oh, maybe I haven't refreshed it. Oh, I didn't refresh it. Whoops. For some reason mine wasn't updating. Alright, so it looks like Bumper Cars is in the lead. Make sure you guys vote right now. Vote right now so we can get a good idea on what we should actually do for today. Because if we do Bumper Cars, I feel like it should be an extension to the actual... It should be like an extension to the actual vehicle mod, but I don't know. Because it's like the same thing. Mine a little bit different. But like the thing is with Bumper Cars, we could have like, you know, in GTA 5, you know, in GTA 5 where you have to like knock people off of the building, that could be like a thing we do. You like knock people off the building. It'd be quite funny, in my opinion. Alright, I'm just gonna go ahead and just commit some code from yesterday. So it looks like Bumper Cars, I mean, it's in the lead, but like it's only in the lead by 2 votes. We kind of already did Super Bumper Cars. Let's do something different. Yeah, that's what I was kind of thinking, you know, because it's like very similar to yesterday. I mean, I could do the soccer football mode. Yeah, I really, you know, stuffed up on today's idea. I'm not gonna lie. I really stuffed up on today's idea, and the more we talk right now, you know, the more longer it's going to take. Let's have a look at some other ideas real quickly. We've got a spreadsheet with all the ideas that you guys suggested. Let me just cover up something. Alright. So this is hold up. This is what I got. What a ton of you guys ideas that you guys suggested. So there's like a lot of ideas, and make a mod like PUBG and a car mod, but a really good one together, someone said. Vlogging. Modern cars, cash register. I just want like cool ideas though. That's what I'm always about, like cool ideas. Do Bumper Cars please? Coffee mod. Yeah, there is already a coffee mod out there though. I don't want to take rain on it. Because there's already a coffee mod out there that does like exactly that with the coffee machine. You put a mug under it, you actually get a cup of Java. I don't know. Maybe there's a... Okay, what type of... Is there different, like, types of arcade machines? Because maybe we can stick with our original idea. Arcade machines. We can stick with our idea. Just different. Oh, that might work, actually. Ah, okay. We can stick with the idea, guys. We're not going to do a claw machine. We're not going to do a claw machine. Claw machine too difficult. Let's do, like a spinning, not like a spinning wheel, but like, let's see if I can do it. It's like one of those, I'm not sure if you guys know about it. But it's like, let's see if I can get a picture of it. Arcade machine spinning wheel. Like this one. This one here. Did you guys see that? That one there where it like spins around. You like pull a handle down. Because I could do that. Finish the road mod? What do you mean? Finish the RD mod. What? Oh, RC mod. Oh yeah, that would be neat, Cray. That would be boring. Would it though? What would you want to see though? What's an arcade machine you would want to see? Y'all not giving suggestions. Arcade, we're gonna stick gambling machines. Not doing gambling machines. Clothes. No, ideas for an arcade. Skee ball. Yeah, you gotta think about it. Skee ball's too difficult. Skee ball's too difficult. Claw machine, we've already suggested that. Claw machine. Spin wheel. It's not an... Yeah, I just want to do like an interesting idea though. Maybe like a candy dispenser. Candy dispenser, no. It's boring idea. We're really cutting into our development time here. I really wanted to start, you know, developing something straight off the bat. I'm trying to think, a claw machine. Let me just think about claw machine. Claw machine. I gotta think. Claw machine. Claw machine would require 2 blocks. Because you need a top and a bottom. Do we attempt to do a claw machine, guys? Do we attempt to do a claw machine today, guys? Let's get rid of that. Hashtag boring. Don't care, dude. Leave. Wrecked. Arcade. I've already done a gun mod. It's funny, like I've been like getting a ton of suggestions like create a device, create a mod that includes laptops, create a mod that has guns. Like, really, I've created some already. Oh, that didn't refresh. Of course it didn't. Like, people keep suggesting the same thing. I've already created a gun mod. Don't be ironic now, guys. Coin machine to give coins to play. Mech mod? Nah. Release it. Yeah, stop spam. Make an add-on app for the device mod. Oh, that's not a bad idea. Oh yeah, that's. Didn't think about that actually. Didn't think about that actually. Cray Force OP mod. No, blocks you away. You're not getting OP. Oh my god. Alright, we really gotta figure out something. But it's, I want it to be cool though. Like, I want it to be cool. I want it to be like, I want it to be an actual new block or something like that. I mean, we could go for the soccer. Who wants to try the soccer? Who wants to try soccer? I feel like soccer would be fun. Also, it's not like too difficult either. It's not too difficult either because it just needs an entity. Alright, we'll flip. We'll do a soccer. We'll do a soccer. Alright. Whatever. Edit video. Soccer. Because soccer sounds fun. Soccer sounds fun. Football. Alright. And then I'm also going to update the thumbnail real quickly. Photoshop. So I'll switch back to my face. Hey, get to see my face. I look beautiful, don't I? I look beautiful, don't I? Let's go ahead. Let's fix this up right now. And let's actually, just like talk about, you know, oh, hey guys, what up? Welcome to day 4 of Mod Week. Today we are doing a soccer mod. Just like, you know, just restart mod week right now. Restart mod week. Let's get some music going as well, so you guys can hear. Alright, whatever, soccer mod. Make sure, yeah. Save as. So yeah, arcade machine, a little bit difficult to create in one day, so that's why I'm not going for that. Alright, so advanced ingestion settings. Here we go. Alright, so paintball mod. I've already got like a gun mod. If you want paintball, go get the gun. Bye, I hate soccer. Alright, see ya. Football, but this is gonna be good because what you're gonna like. My idea for it already is to, is that looking? Whoops. My ideas for it is you can actually properly dribble the ball. It's not like, you know, it's not like, you know, it's not there. You can actually properly dribble the ball. You'll be able to pass it to people. Ooh. Just make a bike. It's kind of like vehicle mod. Tennis is better, would be too difficult. Disable slow, no, because you're gonna spam. Don't wanna be able to spam. Go then, go sponsor, go sponsor to bypass it. Roller coaster mod, too difficult, dude. You do soccer, mate, Scott Sterling. I don't even know any soccer players. I don't follow soccer at all. But a soccer mod sounds fun. Even like with the soccer mod, I don't have like inspiration of, you know, exactly like what I want to do. With the previous 3 mods I've done, I've always been like, yes, yes, yes. Like I know what I'm doing like every single second of it. The soccer mod, it's kind of like, okay, I'm delving into kind of some new stuff right now that I don't want to make too difficult at all. So sounds like another 6-hour live stream is coming on. Let's go. My god, yeah, probably will be. I just want something like really good. I want something really good, a really good idea. You should make an easy mod if it's soccer. Alright, let's go for it right now. This could either be a flop day. This could be the first ever flop day of mod week. Let me just double check I don't have any other ideas before we start today. Okay. Ooh. That could have been a good idea. That could have been a good idea. How about we propose this? Propose this right now. You guys play Fortnite? You guys play Fortnite? Fortnite? Fortnite, sorta. So I'm assuming you guys know about the bush. You guys know about the bush item in it. What if you could actually become the bush in Minecraft? In like survival mode. No. The bush. What if you could become the bush in survival mode? But that wouldn't be... Sounds like a great idea. Oh, I know somebody was suggesting to me to create a Teletubbies mod. That just sucks. Nobody... I don't think I could ever suggest... I don't think I could ever... I don't think I can ever... get your ideas, because everybody, half the people are like, it sucks, people are like, I love it, and then like other way around, it could be like, that sucks, I love it. Nobody likes it. People like, I don't like Minecraft. People saying soccer is better. Some guys like have a paintball edition. Some guys like, that's so OP. Someone said that's a great idea. Someone said, oh heck yay. Someone said that sucks. Someone said yes please. So like, literally nobody agrees on the idea. That's why I only choose the idea. That's why I only choose the idea for like half of this stuff. Someone did suggest a paintball mod. But then it would be just a derivative of the actual gun mod that I have. Start doing a roller coaster mod? No! I've already said no on it. Use a pixel app to create custom block textures in game. Not a bad idea. Not a bad idea. Create just a custom block. Cray, start coding now. I don't know what I'm doing! I don't know what I'm coding! This is a problem. This is the most unorganized mod week of today. I don't know what I'm coding, because like, soccer mod, like, where do I start? I know I gotta create an entity for the bow. But like, there's just some things, you know, I'm thinking like, how am I gonna do that? With the other mods, I've always been like, on point, on bow, knowing what I'm doing. Oh my god, dude. Please let me get a cool idea happening right now. Soccer mod, let me think. Okay, alright, now stuff it. We'll just go with the soccer mod. Soccer mod. Alright, I don't care. It'll be cool in the end. It'll be cool in the end. Alright, so I'm just gonna quickly commit what we did yesterday. Created vehicle mod. People are gonna leave. See you later, people that don't want to join in now because I'm doing a soccer mod. You've said it 100 times to release the gun mod. See you later. No. See you later, Unloved Peanut, if you don't like the idea. Drone mod. Yeah, I've had that suggestion for a little bit, but I don't know. It's kind of like my RC car mod. Unloved Peanut, you've spammed the message twice now. Alrighty, so let's go ahead and let's go back to master. Create a new one, soccer mod. Because like, I already kind of know like a bit of what I gotta do, but it's just a matter of actually getting it to work. Lol mod. Drone please tomorrow? Nah. I don't want to do a drone mod. The word soccer sounds like a word soccer in Swedish means sugar. Alright, there's no legit suggestions in the chat anymore. There's no legit suggestions. Alright, so we're just going to do our own thing now. Alright, so let's refactor. Are we actually on the right view? Yeah, we are. Cool. Refactor, rename. So we got a couple of things we got to do. We'd create the actual soccer bowl entity, which is going to be easy. Soccer. Alright. Took its second there. Soccer mod. Soccer. Yeah. What's that? Someone gets sued? Mario mod? Yeah, you would. Balloon mod? Why? Everybody's like confused because this thing said arcade mod. Yeah, unfortunately we changed the idea around. Soccer mod. Soccer mod. Alright, fix up this. So soccer. Soccer mod. That's not supposed to be there. Here, I'm gonna fix this up. Soccer. Soccer mod. Alright, so we need a couple of things. We're gonna need to have a client. We're gonna need to have an entity. We're going to need to have a proxy. We're going to need to have an item. Yeah, we're going to need to have an item. Yeah, we can't do anything about that. So initialization. Oopsie, not that, not a class, a package. Package, item, and then we also need a new package in it. Initialize. Alrighty, so let's go ahead because we need to have a model for it. We need to have an entity, so a new class, entity soccer, bow, extends entity. This is going to be interesting today. Hopefully I can pull this off. Make constructor match. Alright, client, new package, call it render. New render soccer bowl. Now we can already create the actual soccer bowl real easy. Extends render entity soccer bowl. Useless items mod, wow. Adds in just like broken items. Fan mod, and if you're on fire it puts the flame out. What? Plane mod, a little bit difficult. Oh, maybe for soccer you can do like custom soccer balls, like IRL, different colors. Yeah, I could do that. I could do that, dude. Like, I want to like, I was thinking like, do I implement goals or do you just build goals, whatever you like? Because like, you can already build goals in Minecraft. I don't see any point of actually having to implement goals or anything into it. There are fans and open blocks and other mods, yeah. But like, I'm sure there's like other mods out there. Like imagine if you had like, you know, chisel and bits to just create a soccer goal. Soccer ball mod. Sammy50, cheers for the motivation, you know. Cheers for the uplifting there, you know. I mean, today I was like, what do I actually do? Because I want to create like a really cool idea. So I'm going to make sure tomorrow is a really good idea, guys. I'm going to make sure tomorrow is a really good idea. I really struggled, you know, figuring out what to actually do today. Because I want to like create real cool stuff for you guys.
Hashtag soccer ball mod. Soccer ball. Soccer ball.
Mr.
Soccer
Crayfish,
ball.
whoa.
Soccer ball. Soccer ball. Soccer ball.
My God,
ball,
Pappy.
Soccer ball.
He's just imprinting
ball,
the idea in
ball,
everybody.
Soccer ball. 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 Soccer ball.
My God. That was something else there, dude. That was something else there. Alright, so pretty much, let's see if we do render, does it translate? It's already translated. Okay, already cool. So we're actually going to be doing something like this. So you can actually do like private. We'll do private static final sphere. Bowl equals new sphere. There are parameters to it. What are you talking about? Radius, slices. Oh no, it's in different. Oh. So we'd actually do like bowl dot render draw radius 0.5 maybe, slices 20, stacks 20. And here we can do like a texture too. Now there is like proper textures you can put on these to actually make them look like soccer balls, so we might have to find one online and then just modify it ever so slightly, because it might be difficult to actually create, because you got to create like a 360 texture, and the 360 texture is very difficult. It went from arcade to soccer mod. Yeah, I know. You think I'm blind? Like what? Cray, how did it go from arcade mod to a soccer mod? Like what? You know, that's strange. Did you notice that, Cray? Like, you know, you started working on a soccer mod, you know, but it just suddenly changed to a yeah. Refresh the title, refresh the page. Have you released the vehicle mod? No. I said I was gonna release it like soon, like, because I want to put it up on CurseForge, and like it takes time because I gotta create graphics, I gotta create everything for it, I gotta create descriptions, I gotta get screenshots for it, I gotta make it look like a dope post so people actually want to download it. I don't want like a half job. I don't half job in anything, guys. Like when I post things, I don't half job in when I post it. I actually create dope graphics. I create cool stuff for it. So yeah, so it'll be coming soon on CurseForge. Trust me, trust me. I'm gonna get it up on this weekend for everybody to play. There might even be, oh yeah, how's that, sorry, I was gonna go refer back to the Mr. Crayfish pack. How is it #1 trending? How is it #1 trending on Technic pack? Let's have a look. Apparently it's trending on here, mod packs. So it should be right at the top there. How? How is it trending? What does the power mean? I guess that's views. How is it trending? I don't know. Maybe you guys have been downloading it like crazy. Apparently it's had 13k downloads, 47 runs. I do not know. I don't know, hey. Alright, so that's that. We need to get a proxy in this house. A proxy in this house. So let's go ahead. Let's go to my dancing mod, because that's the only way. That's where I like to steal the proxy from. Alright, and then we also need to get something to register. initialize, registration handler. We're gonna do a new item sucker bow. The mod week. This mod week is topping the last one. Yeah, I really like the mods that we've actually created so far. I'm not gonna lie. Because we've created a. The working clocks, the working digital clock's cool, but I reckon the working digital clock is going to be the worst one of this week. It's still cool though, but I wouldn't say it's like insane. I think you guys would agree. I was like, nah, I love it. I was looking in the darkness. I don't know. Alright, let's pop in sub items too. I think I'm in the I'm in the Alright, so new Java class mod items. Let's have a look. What do we need? Alright, so public static final. Public static final. Item sucker. Bow. Static. Sucker bow. Equals new item. Import it. New item sucker bow. Item sucker bow. Public item sucker bow. At 5,000 likes, and he said that he keeps getting, and mine keeps forgetting. It's better because like I keep like it's in my mind now, but like I literally don't have the time to like right now during mod week to actually go ahead, because I do mod week right. Straight after this, right, I have lunch. Straight after that, I do videos. And by the time I finish my videos, you know, like, I gotta edit them. I gotta create thumbnails. I'll try and get it up tonight. I'll put it personally down right now for you, dude. That I'll get it up tonight, alright? Alright, let me go. Keep. I think it's here. Ah, there we go. Okay. I've already got it written down. That's funny though. Already written down. Set unlocalized name. Sucker bow. I hate how I can't buy the Google Pixel 2 here. Really? Huh, that's weird. I got the Pixel 2 XL. It's dope. Is dope. How does young Greg have that texture? What do you mean? Oh, it's actually a mod. If you're wondering. It is a mod. Public static void register. Registration handler dot items dot register. Sucker bow. Add, which is sucker bow. Whoa, whoa. Make the package private, cool. Only gets called here anyway. Should make that for all of them. When's the office furniture mod and the event for that one furniture mod? That's the community edition. What up, Cray Pigs? What? I literally need to import it from somewhere, which is like super expensive to import things to Sweden. Sweden. The Cray bag has hit no one. Yeah, no. Jackson, I literally just looked at it 2 seconds ago on live stream. I don't know, people like, I show things up and then literally people say show it like, yeah, I've already looked at it, Jackson. I literally like, I'm just like, how? How did they hit number 1? What is the mod called? Sucker mod. Okay, I don't like Community Edition mod because like the most recent one doesn't have the vent. It's not updated to any latest versions of Minecraft, unfortunately, but you can download it from our website, I'm pretty sure. Would in total have to pay like 1700 to get it here. Oh my god. Yeah, that's a lot. That's more than what it's worth. The young Greg mod. Someone should have created a cheese stacking mod. Like create the ultimate cheese and crackers. Alright, so I've done that. I hope you find what you've been looking for. We need to create a proxy. Sided proxy. No, let's not do that one. Soccer. Like, we'll literally have a proxy in a second here, guys. We literally have a ball in the game straight away. That's how quick I can do stuff. That's how quick I can do it now. Obviously, it's not. Oh, what the? I thought I refactored that. Please make a list of the mods you made because they are beautiful. Yeah, I will. What up, Scanus HD? How you doing, dude? Thanks for coming to sponsor. Thanks, and welcome back to the live stream, dude. So yes, people are so into the mainstream phones, and here I'm like, but I want my special things. I don't know if I'd pay 1700. Is that 1700 US dollar or 1700 like AED? Is it US dollar? If it's US dollar, that's even worse. I tell you right now, it's even worse. Why isn't it like cheap? Oh, jeez, Fabby 50, holy. US dollar, dude, holy. It only cost me 1400 AUD for mine. Which is a lot for a phone, but it's more than what my laptop cost. My god. US dollar, holy shoot, dude. Yeah, not worth it for that. Alright, so entity. Register mod entity. New resource location. Reference. Soccer ball. Entity soccer ball dot class soccer ball IDs. I don't get the whole ID system in this registration thing. This tracking range, I'm 64, update frequency 1, send velocity updates, probably true. Oh, you can do a spawn egg primary. Color dot white, get RGB, color dot black dot get RGB. That might save us time. Completely forgot about that feature. This is the first live stream I've been to. Welcome, Nbut. Oh, sorry, not Nbut. Nbert. Sorry, I didn't mean to say that. Nbert, not Nbut. I cursed. Yeah, I don't understand. Yeah, there's like things like I just don't understand. Like I'll say, okay, people are gonna be like, "You cursed" if I say the word crap. I'm gonna say the word crap. I'm not gonna say like, you know, I'm not gonna say like the S word. I'm not gonna drop the F bomb. I'm not gonna drop like, you know, people like, I'm not like that religious, but people think the word like damn is like a swear word, is cussing or whatever. You like, I hate the word cussing. I think it just sounds stupid. It's like, don't cuss. Don't cuss in front of me. I think nobody uses that word here in Australia, by the way. That's why it's not like a normal thing here. Nobody says don't cuss at me. Because Australians are like, just always swear. Like, I swear in real life. I swear in real life. I don't swear on live streams or anything like that. Because I can actually, you know, control it. Crap and damn aren't cuss words. Some people think they are, I'll tell you right now. Some people think they are. What do you guys think? Is crap and damn a swear word? Curse word? I don't think there's anything like, okay, I'm like, I might be biased because like I'm Australian, like, you know, Australian culture is different to anywhere else. Australia culture is different to everywhere else, and like swearing's like, I mean swearing's like quite normal over here. Like, it's quite normal over here. Like, it's still like considered. It's still considered. You don't just like go up to somebody in public, and you know, like swear at them or something like that. It's how you really use the words. Like, if you're actually talking, you can talk to somebody like brand new and swear. But it's just basically how you use it. You could be explaining a situation and actually just use the words, but you don't, you know, you don't use it at somebody. That's when it depends on the context and how you use it. Most people would consider damn a curse word in my area. Yeah, that's the thing, like people are gonna say it's like literally a curse word. I'm like, yeah, I don't think that is. It's like almost any negative word is a curse word. Any negative word is a curse word. All right, I'm not cursing now, but mother trucker, that hurt like a butt cheek on a stick. I didn't curse it though. I didn't curse it though. Mother trucker, that hurt like a butt cheek on a stick. Love that. I love that. Alright, so let's go ahead. Let's bind like a random texture here. Let's bind a random texture. Let's go. How do you bind an actual block texture? I think it's Minecraft. Hi from New Zealand. We pretty much neighbors. Hey, sick dude.
Pretty much neighbors.
Nebbers. No, cheers, dude. That's awesome. Yeah, I want to go to New Zealand one day. I'm not gonna lie. I think New Zealand is definitely one of my kind of, you know, on my list of places I want to go. Just because, like, I mean, it's very similar. I'd say it's very similar culture to Australia. Very similar culture to Australia. Same kind of like climate as well. But has beautiful landscapes there, and I think that'd be awesome. And it's like easy because like everybody speaks English straight away. And I just want to go there for the internet too. Just go there for the internet. That would be bind. Is there like where's my bind? No, bind. Get texture minute. Bind texture. Texture. Texture map. Location blocks texture. How do I bind a specific texture? There's like a way to do it. Forgot how it works. You can bind like a texture and then you can actually I don't know if it works or not. I think it has to be very Sucker. Cray, people who think it's a bad way think that because they're controlled by their mummies. What? What the fire truck? Somebody in the chat. What the fire truck? What the fudge? Mother truckin' fudgin' poop. That hurt like a butt cheek on a stick. I'm in Cali. He's in Cali. See, like, okay, this is what a 360 texture looks like, guys. This is what a 360 texture looks like. Looks weird, but that's a soccer ball. That's a soccer ball right there. It's just like very hard to actually draw that type thing. I mean, I don't want to use the texture just in case it's subject to copyright. I'm all about, you know, following copyright here, and you know, I don't want to use a texture that I'm not supposed to type thing. But I just want to do it for testing. I think you can do bowl.set texture flag true. So we'll try this out. We'll save image as. Just because I want to try it out, and then we will create our own. We'll create our own texture from it. Device. You just uploaded a video. Oopsie. Assets. Soccer. I'm assuming this sphere format actually uses this. So we're going to do a private static final resource location. Just call it texture equals new resource location. Reference mod ID. I'll say textures entity soccer bold.png. I think that's how it works. And then bind the texture. And yeah, we should be somewhat Gucci. Somewhat Gucci to go. Alright, let's just organize some things here. Let's go client. Let's start it up. Who thinks it's going to work first shot? No, it's not, because there's an error. We actually haven't, we didn't do rendering. Rendering registry dot register entity rendering. We need to do entity soccerball.class, and then we do render soccerball new public. Didn't work first shot. Oh, there we go. And we didn't call that actually. Let's call that afterwards. Proxy.preinit. Alright, there we go. Gucci to go. Who would win, guys? Who would win? The supermoon from last night or some cloudy boys? Some cloudy boys. Didn't even get to see it last night. Didn't even get to see it. Thank you, Clouds, for winning last night. Thank you for winning last night, Clouds. Alright, let me have a look. Alright, switch over to game mode. Go to game mode. Play. We're going to miss some entities here, but whatever. Get out of here. What was I going to say? Alright, here, votes. Supermoon, 42%, 58, some cloudy boys. Some cloudy boys. Alright, so it's clear now. I'm pretty sure it summons in here. There it is. Y'all. Ah! What the heck? What the Did you guys just see that? How? It's the 404 challenge. What? The spider came out of the ground. Legit. My god. That was just luck. I'm not gonna lie. Look, we just created a stairway down to like this cave that goes to nowhere. Oh no, it goes to somewhere. Oh, it's a big cave. It is a big cave for sure. How? Oh, let's get out of here. How do we get out? Oh, there it is. That was probably gonna be the coolest thing I've ever seen. That was I was not expecting that. There is a cave entrance under the floor here. That was something else. Would you continue development on vehicle mod like you did on the car mod? Yeah, I really want to, like, if there's any mod that I want to continue development on, it would be the vehicle mod, guys. So that's where I'd actually add in the bumper cars alpha thing, because it's kind of a vehicle mod, you know. I tweeted something to you. I tweeted the picture of the video of the modded house. I'll check it out later. Where's my soccer ball at? Where's my soccer ball at? Is it rendering? It's not actually rendering. Is it like actually... Let's just do summon, maybe. Summon... Soccer ball? Okay, apparently it's there, but where is it? Do I have to translate it? Oh! My god. Look at that, guys. That appeared out of nowhere. Oh god. That appeared out of nowhere. That football though. Well, yeah, I think I can spawn these now. This doesn't like spawn. It's weird. I don't know. It doesn't actually spawn it. I don't know why it doesn't spawn it. It looks pretty cool. It's a bit too big though. Too fine. Is that a good size for the soccer ball? Whoa, we need a geostate. Push matrix. Pop. Sorry guys. Why doesn't this spawn it? I don't know why. Get out of here, creepy. You're not the main show. Get out of here! Alright, so we need to set the bounding, set the size of the bow. So we can do like this, dot set size 0.25, 0.25. We need to offset the render. Translate 0.25, 0. So now it's an actual soccer ball. I'm just like trying to think how it's gonna work. I'm thinking like, so it needs to have let's just go Minecraft.get render, get Minecraft, get render manager dot set. It's to true. Whoa, yeah, that's wrong. Alright, let's go some soccer ball. It needs to be bigger. I think it needs to be 5. We'll create another like a private, public, static. It's public static int, public static float, scale. I can rename that as size. Public static final float size. And then actually on our render soccer ball we can go size divided by 2. Alright, let's just restart the game here. I gotta go, I need to do some building on Minecraft, that's all good, dude. There's a really old sports mod that adds soccer. Is there? Huh. Well, hopefully mine's a little bit different. Alright, I see a black screen for a second here, guys. Don't worry about that. You might have to spawn it using commands. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know why it doesn't work like that. Let's like have a look. We can debug it, I reckon. Item spawn. Spawn. Item egg. See, look, entity egg. No. Where's the spawn egg? Oh no, it's a item monster. Monster placer. That's a very strange name. If block. Oh. Wait, what? Monster placer. What? No way, hold up. Have I never... Is that a thing? Do you guys know that? Hold up. Give... Monster... Spawner... Monster... What's it called? What's a spawner called? Spawn... What's a spawner called, guys? Oh my god, mob spawner. Mob spawner. Alright. Has that always been a thing? Have I never known that? What? Or is that new? You can actually... Okay, we have a monster spawning soccer balls around the area. That's been there a long time. I didn't even know that. That's cool. I swear I didn't know that. What? Needs to be a wee larger. We could make it bigger. So we need to do some calculations here, and I'm pretty sure you can do the calculations easy. Get angle. Get angle between 2 points. Find angle between 2 points. I think it's 80 in radians. Okay. Angle in degrees. So A10 to point. Okay. Cool. So we need to do some math here. We need to do some quick math, guys. Some quick math. Alright, so let's try this right now. So basically we need to do, I think it's like a method on collision, on collide with player. We need to do this dot rotation. Your equals math.a10 and then it's entity in pos. I'll say this pos x. Oh no. Yeah, I'll say pos x. Take entity in dot pos x. Oh, that's y. Oopsie. Not y. No. X. We're dealing with that, and then pos z take entity in dot pos z times 180 divided by math.pi. Y'all want some pie? So let's just we'll figure it out. What does that do? I think it's like can be collided with. Say true. Do you take model requests for, like, you mean the block, you mean for the soccer ball? Or what are you talking about? Furniture mod? That might have been nice. I'm working through. Have a great job. I shouldn't really complain. Who are you replying to? Well, I'm out of context here. If you could make it so that if you use it too much, the air comes out and you have to blow it up using an air pump. Realism. Tony spreading the love right now. Make multiple soccer balls. Well, we had a soccer ball spawner, so. Oh. I think I did it wrong. Oh no, it's gonna be negative that. Pretty sure. See, look, now every time that I was like, say if I hit it right. Look at the actual, get away here. I'm not hitting it from there? What am I? Apparently I'm hitting it. How am I hitting it from there? Apparently I'm hitting it from here. Is that the same for everything? No, that's not the same for everything. Why is it saying I'm hitting it from here? On collide with player. Collide with player. Let's have a look. I think it expands it. If this dot is writing, why is it expanded? Why is it expanded? Like, it expands the size of the bounding box. You know, it should be colliding with the actual box. Let's find collide. Scope. Apply entity collision. What is your first computer? Just asking. First computer. My first own computer was... My first own computer was my current PC, but it had different components in it. It's the first computer I owned. What are you talking about, like, way back? I'm trying to wait a bit before I get someone I don't need that RN. Got out of a long relationship a couple of months ago. Oh my god. I'm the only one that hates Clash of Clans, Pokemon, and Fortnite. Fortnite's good though. Fortnite's good. I want to play some more. I played like, I think I did like 3 hours of it one time, a couple of days ago. Why does it expand the thing? It's not colliding if it doesn't hit the box. Y'all, not colliding if it doesn't hit the box. I mean, we can write our own, but like, I just don't like that the whole... I don't know, hold up. I think maybe like entity living. Entity living like overrides it. Because we can do like I think we can do like uncollide if get bound, get collision, bounding box. What was that? Okay. Get entity bounding box. Is that what it uses here? Get entity bounding box dot intersects entity dot get entity bounding box. Just hack it again. Hack the method. So now it shouldn't actually... Yeah, there we go. Alright, so there we go. And then what we want to do is... I think it's on entity update. We're going to say this dot move. Say this dot move relative strafe 0 up 0 forward move relative. Let's say 1 friction 0.02 F. This dot move motion Y, motion Z. Alright, we're gonna restart the game here. Cray's hacking, oh my god, what? My friend was 16 when she had her first child, my god. Coach, can you play Minecraft? What? You guys got any suggestions for this mod at all? You guys got any awesome suggestions that we should add into this? Where's my soccer balls at? Hey? Where my soccer balls at? Summon soccer. Oh, dude. Oh no! No! Uh-oh. There goes that. There she goes. There she goes again. We have to do this stop motion X. I don't think we actually even have to do that. I think we just have to do like this. We'll have a variable private double current speed equals 0. Don't need to do that. Don't think I do, no. Probably. Let's say this dot current speed equals 10, and then we'll do like this dot current speed times equals 0.91. Alright, we're gonna start the game. Gotta go fast. What goes better with soccer than pom-pom girls? If you can make it so that if you use it too much. You've already suggested the idea. I've already read that idea, Austin. Replace soccer ball spawn egg with soccer ball model. It's hard to do it. Can't actually override the inventory models that easily. Oh, we have a slight issue. Where'd that soccer ball go? Alright, whatever. Summon. Obviously soccer ball. Oh. And there goes the soccer ball. No! Keeps going into the water. I mean, it's kind of working. It needs to be slower. 5. Poof. I think there's some issues with it. Alright, so I think, what's this? Move relative. Get rid of that. There's some weird glitches with it. Hold on, let's test. So like technically it should go that way. But like ready? Like it bounces around. Like, what's that? So you already hit there. Oh, that worked there now. Maybe there's just like certain times to do it. do after it. Maybe do the super update after it. Something causing some issues. Ah. Still going way too fast. Like, see how it just went backwards there instead? It went backwards? How does he get the bounding box to highlight like that for debugging? You used to be able to activate it in game, but I think it's disabled. Why is it moving so fast? Oh, look at this, dribbling. It just glitches out sometimes. See, like, it just glitches out like that, I don't know why. See, this wasn't even like, maybe we just say here, right? This might be a little bit better. Maybe like entity in dot rotation yaw. Maybe there's something wrong with my calculations. Oh my god. Cause I think, so I think it's on living. Was that right? On. Where's this get called? Collide with players gets called inside of on living update. So. Wait, what? On living update. Ah, it calls in there. On collide. Alright, whatever. Jersey should be added, so like Cray jersey and stuff. Maybe Sir Piggle's jersey on Greg jersey. That might be a cool idea. What was your first mod that you made on Minecraft? It was actually a simple like tools mod. I think it was like Mithril mod, and then I did like a spear mod. I did like a spear mod at one point. What else did I do? I created like, and then I created my furniture mod. Like literally my furniture mod was like, I'd have to say is like probably my first ever proper mod. Like, what was that? What was that? See how, like, I hit it right? See, that one went forward that time. But, like, why does it go forward so fast sometimes? Like, there shouldn't be any way for that to happen. Like, why is it so fast? Like, sometimes you can just push it, right? You can push it, look how I'm pushing it there. And then sometimes it's like, whoa, let me just do something else here. It's got like a mind of its own. Maybe we could just create our own kind of math sign. How do I produce that? So it does. This start motion equals entity player get look back X. So get rid of this. Normalize. I think it's already normalized, but we'll just ensure that it's normalized. Oh, that's a bit better. I think. Still going super fast. Yeah, that looks good. So if I want it to go over there, yep. It's just going super fast. Maybe we could make it go smaller. Yeah, I did. Yeah, no, it can't be like that. 7.5. Maybe just do the motion X like that, to be honest. Oh no, it has to be a something. Let's do motion X. But I want to be able to control the speed. Like maybe not as fast. I think it's doubling it. Like that's pretty good. What do you guys think? Ignore the slight glitches. I think that's just a side effect. Just kind of a bit of a side effect. We'll just go super on update like that. It might be just a glitch with odds on entity update previous puzz. Okay, so best to call that first and then do movement after that. Okay. It's just windy outside. Just windy outside. Maybe you should had like some walls that make the ball bounce a bit. Yeah, it would be good to have like bounces back. Like there is a simple way to do it. So like basically let's say it hits something, right? its collision hits something. There's a way to make it so it inverts its angle. On collision. That's super. If this dot collided horizontally, will this work? Yeah. Okay, it worked. It worked, so you can say like I'm gonna figure out what this angle is. So rotation yaw. Let's do percentage 360, modulo 360 to actually get the real angle. 102. So it would be. It's Thursday, my dudes. It is Thursday. I can't believe it's Thursday already. We're already second to last day of mod week. What do we do, guys?
It's Thursday, my dudes. Soccer ball, 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 soccer ball.
Oh my god, how many are there?
Soccer ball, soccer ball, soccer ball,
Soccer hype.
soccer ball.
Could we do plus 180F? Let's just try it. This dot rotation yaw equals. Alright, so that doesn't work. We need to find a difference in the angle. Maybe it's best we check that first. And then we need to update the motion. Get look vec. We can say this dot get vector for rotation, this dot rotation pitch, this dot rotation yaw, vec 3. What does that return? .3D. Vec 3D. dir equals this. Normalize. And I'll just say that. Alright. How can we get the difference? How can we get the difference? Maybe that. How are you generating so much? Cray, what is your philosophy? What? Making a beat, all I need is a super chat samples I can get. Making a beat with super chats, wow. First ever. Add a working score system and goal box thing if you have time. We'll see how we go. Basically, I need to get the difference. Let me think about this. Let me go new. So this is what I need to do, right? This is what I need to do. So that's a wall, right? And then we have the bowl, right? And then we have a line, fill it with black. Whoops. Oh, there goes that. Let's create a new thing here. Let's do it like red, alright? So this is the direction, whoopsie. This is like the direction the bowl's going into. And then basically what is, you know, right? We need to convert that angle to be the opposite angle. It's going to be a formula. What is that angle though? It's like 180 plus the difference. Might be that. Oh. Oh, yes. Oh, God. It's bouncing everywhere. Oh, there goes that. I might have to do this after it. See if that works better. Woo! What happens if I just like... Uh-oh. We should go this dot collided horizontally equals false here, just to like make it so it updates. Yeah, some weird glitches with this. Maybe it's divided by 180. Modulo 180. Oh. And then like take plus 180. No, it'll be the same. Plus 90F. Take it's like, here's the problem. Look at the direction of it. Math.abs potentially, because we're dealing with negative values. Now it wouldn't matter which way we do that. Oh no, it does matter. So that's the difference. So system out, let's start rotation euro. We really need like a soccer field. Hey! This is not soccer, this is glitcher. You are really amazing, thanks Zoe. That's working, kind of. It's still getting stuck on certain things. Like certain directions it works, but some it doesn't. Let's have a look. Rebound. Rebound. Form. Rebound. Rebounding. Rebound angle. Oh, maybe we could just do it like this. Apparently. Apparently it's like rebound. Do a search angle of reflection. the rebound? Calculating bounce angle. Angle of reflection. So apparently thinking if these just don't even do that. I'll just comment that out for now. It might even just be simply just inverting the motion. Maybe not. That's the angle of reflection formula. Oops. Ah, go away. Physics. OI. Normal. So I think it has to depend on the actual... I think it depends on the actual wall it hits. I don't know. We could say this dot get facing, get horizontal facing, right? That doesn't work though. This dot get collided. Yeah, it's hard to tell. Reflected light. We can't figure out the angle of reflection. Because like it varies, like it could be any sort of angle. Yeah, we don't know what this angle is. What it actually hit. Angle of reflection. So it hits. So basically, we want to like, you know, we want to be able to like, you know, when it hits like here on a 45, then go like off at a 45. I don't know, you guys are talking about some weird stuff. Okay, go back on topic here. Gotta have that dagger negative. What is that? Oh my god, it's a bat. Collided. Collided horizontally. Stuck. Collided. Like we can't figure out maybe we can figure it out depending on the motion. So potentially a positive motion. So let's go system out this dot motion x. Maybe before. So let's think about just a certain scenario. Like here. Let's go before. Before, after. So before. So X motion, what's this? The X axis. I still think I have to work out the angle. So what if we just did that? Okay, let's just do negative Z motion maybe. Let's get rid of that. Still doesn't update correctly. potentially put that up before it. Apparently 0 the motion. Sick. Like, think about if you hit it this way, right? Towards -Z. It should update. We could say this dot is world. I think there's a problem, is remote. Where'd half my debugging go? Penguin song. Like, the motion should just invert here. The motion should invert. It doesn't want to, like our guess from before was even better. What's the penguin song called? We don't talk about the penguin song. I never tell them the name of it. Never tell them the name of it. Z. This works only in some directions. I think it only works on this. So I'll do that. Why is that like... going mad funky? Let me get rid of that. Why is it like stopped there? It's like, this is where it gets like stuck. Because it doesn't know what it collided. It doesn't know what the actual collision is. What's this? D. Just to see you again. See you again. Good song. Go down a soccer field map, then you don't have to keep breaking the blocks. That's not a bad idea. Do you guys have any soccer maps? Oh, you know what? This is probably doing it twice. We'll see. Test. Because it does it on both sides. Get out of here. It's probably why it's glitching out a lot. Now it's like laggy. Why is it laggy now? Like, why is it laggy? Oh, now it's not laggy. And there's just a bit of debug mode issue. Woo! I'm pro soccer. I'm Ronaldo. If you guys get me a soccer map, I'll put it in. If you get me a soccer map, I'll put it in. Oh, let's go Planet Minecraft. Let's have a look. Soccer. Soccer stadium. This could work. I don't know, 6 years ago, dude. 6 years ago. This stadium was built, though. Maybe this one 4 years ago. Soccer arena. That one's crap. Trying to find a good one. Soccer stadium. That one looks good. 7 years ago though. Yeah, a lot of people that built these stadiums don't have an idea of what the lines should look like. Sort by... Oh, I can sort by category, whoops. Projects. Aha! Now I can see all the soccer maps. Alright, we'll try this, see if it works. Oh, it's a schematic though. Oh, well, download. Yeah, I'll try this. It might not work though. I can stream on the episode. I got one. Have you got a screenshot of it? I need a screenshot before I download it. Why it's like laggy sometimes and sometimes it's not. Just use super flat world. Yeah, I could, but it would be better to even have the world. Let's open up here. Is it just okay? Yeah, this is like a super duper old world, but we'll see if it works. Extract all. Saves. Just put a screenshot. Oh wow. Looks pretty cool. We'll see what this one looks like first. See, it's that old, it's gonna be converted. Oh, here we go. Game mode C. Ah, well. Open a LAN, creative mode. Would you look at this? Y'all got me a soccer stadium. Summon soccer ball. Yo, this is lit. Yeah, this is lit right now, guys. I got this. The goals. Yeah, he scores. He's legit the best player in the world. Someone put all the time and effort to build this stadium, yet they couldn't build half decent goals. Or actually get a proper, you know, do the lines properly. Like, look at the lines. Like, the goals are supposed to be in line with these. I don't know what they're thinking. Spent all this time and they couldn't even get what the main attraction is, the actual soccer stadium. Lit as full. I'm not gonna say that. It kind of sounds like I'm sorry. Oh. 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 Oh, damn. Oh. Oh! Let's download the map and it's 100,000 times better. So I need to find out what directions the collision's valid for. So I'm pretty sure this direction it works. That direction, so what's that one? South. So it works on that one, doesn't work on that one. Works on that face. How do we know which direction it's... The thing is, we don't know what thing it's hitting, because, like, think about it, it's the same... Alright, so hitting it there, right, is the same as, right, hitting it like this into that wall. We don't know where it hits though. There's a way to detect where it hits. Make there be momentum. The faster you are when you kick it, the farther it goes. We can make it so here, right? We do times... times NCN.move forward. Maybe. Alright, oh that doesn't, that's not server side, I don't think. Don't think that's server side. Is there like this dot collided? What is, how is that actually set to true? This to collided D2 doesn't equal to X. Where is that modified? D2. I don't get D2. Because D2... D2. Who's that position to BB? Whoa, whoa, uh-oh. Alright, normalize. What are we on? 11:51, alright. Not doing too bad, we've only been streaming for 2.5 hours. On a simple soccer ball. We just can't figure out the actual angle of reflection because we don't know what angle it actually hit. Or do we? It might be possible to figure out what the angle of hit is. Because if it's a positive Depends on the motion. Alright. So what? So... Right. So let's think about this one. So this is the Z motion, so that's a positive Z motion. If it's hitting there, it's positive Z motion. Is there like an entity in dot speed? Get AI move speed. I don't think you can get like entity in dot velocity. Get velocity. I can add like maybe, because I just have to get the last position to the new one. Why isn't the fire alarm working 1.2.2? Doesn't it? I have to look into it later on. Whoa! It just went nighttime. So if it's collided right and it's... So if it collided right... Alright, so we can handle it differently, alright? So if it collided... So we have different states of collision, alright? We have different states of collision. So that one we're looking at right now is a negative state. Negative x. Negative x. And I guess the z doesn't matter any z. And we just use our formula that we've got now. This might not be the best maths, but whatever. Game rule, duty, true, false. Alright. And this motion here, right? Oopsie, what did I do? My keyboard. My keyboard's like a Bluetooth one, and you can like it's got like 3 different options where you can connect it to like another device with a button. Keep pressing it all the time. So here, right, this would be a positive Z, a positive Z any X. This would be a positive X any Z, and then positive Z is the last one, any X. Alright, so we have 4 different states, right? And we can simply just change those around, right? Depending on, so we can say here if this dot motion z motion x is less than 0, else if this might be difficult. If negative x alright, so that's that. I'm just thinking if, you know, if else if this dot, because we can't split these up, right? The problem is like for here, right? I might have to do like if this dot motion z is less than 0 and because there was two sides that this worked on. It worked on that side. So that was the, what was that one? Positive x to any z. Yeah, can we still handle this? Positive x, negative x. There's still no way to handle it, I don't think. And maybe we have to do even more further. Motion z is more than 0. Yeah, I don't know. Square balls of the future. So motion x and motion z. I don't think there's any way to split off the state because we still don't know. So we can't just say any x. Get out of here. So that'd be positive z. Does that work? Hold up. Alright, it does work. So motion x. Alright, so technically it should only work in that direction. Oh, well, no. That positive x. Whoops. Whoa. Apparently that's not true. Let's have a look. Oh, it is true apparently. Why is it not working? It's not wanting to. Yeah, it's very so let's say in facing. We still don't know what the collision, what we collided with, what side of a block we collided with. Because like we can, does any of these angles work for it? Why doesn't this formula work for any of them? Cray doesn't get called at all. That would be a positive X motion. That's what we just said. This dot motion X. Oh. Some motion X, whatever. Negative or positive. This stop motion Z. It's more than. No, that technically that would work. I swear it skips a tick. What happens if I like had the bow in between two things like this? Get out of that. Kind of works. What should the recipe for the soccer ball be? Wool. The thing is, we're dealing with like very vague case, because like this can be the same thing here. There's like a... Because like if we do like this wouldn't work out. So let's say there's a negative z, the motion, and that this motion z x could be anything. These could be handled in the same case because motion x could be greater, can equal 0, and then that could be, you know, whatever. So these are like the same case, like kind of the same statements, just different. We just don't know what we're hitting. We don't know what we're hitting. We don't know what we're hitting. Maybe, I'm trying to think what it would be. The recipe should be slime balls in an O shape with air in the middle. Minecraft get collided. Collided. Get adjusted horizontal facing? What? Oh. So could we say, so if it's traveling in a certain direction, can we handle it differently? Get horizontal facing.
What if I go stronger? What if I get higher? What if I start doing things I know I will regret? I will make my own way. I will not surrender. I will do my best.
So if ball is traveling in a certain direction. Is that possible to do that? If I'm facing What direction is that? I'm just trying to think if it's possible to split the states. So that's east. Here's enum facing.east. Nah, it still has a problem of like, I still don't know what the collision angle is, because like I could have the same exact motion, right, and it could be this angle or that one. A soccer mod, that's the best thing I've ever heard of, Crayfish. Reflect. Alright, let's have a look where it actually says this collided horizontally. Pretty sure there's there's this whole method here. Is there a way to get... There's no way to get like easily what the collision is. Is there any sort of variable? Bounding box collided, velocity changed. I never had a crayfish. Alright, let's see. There's still no way to detect what face we hit. I was just thinking I'd be able to create like some sort of general formula without knowing. So the facing direction. So that would be, so that's like, that's negative 90. Let's see if I can do... Angle of reflection. Let's have a look at this again. Yeah, we just don't know what the angle of it is. That's one thing we can't figure out. Okay, so the problem with like calculating the rebounding of the bow is that we don't know what the we don't know what the angle of reflection is. So like, what's this angle here, right? What's this angle here? Like, we hit this, right? We don't know what that is. And I think about it, this is the same type of motion, right? So very similar like that, right? So it's going in that direction. It's going in that direction, but we could also hit that other wall here. Very similar motion, and they're two different angles. We don't know how to... I don't know how to get that. So... like, we need to know the actual angle. So what's that? Z motion. This would be Z. What'd that be now? Might be able to figure it out. Maybe. Because we hit here, right? X motion stay the same. It's the Z that changes. It's the Z that changes. Oh, that's the problem again. Hit here, it's a Z that changes. So, say we, is this possible? If this dot motion X is positive. And this dot motion Z equals negative this dot motion Z. Get rid of that, comment that out. Why doesn't that update? Oopsie. It's motion X. That doesn't make sense. Okay, so that's motion. So if it hit there, then it's just gonna. But if it hit here, it's gonna change the Z. Alright, I don't know if we can do this. Like it works like that. So I've actually hit there. Why isn't that changing? Positive X. Unless the angles are all wrong. So like, what's with that? So that's going negative Z. Why is that update wrong? I don't know. What's wrong with the rebound? It just, I can't calculate the angle. I have an idea. Every time you kick the ball, it OPs blocks, you know. Never. Otherwise, maybe collided horizontally is causing it as well. Let's see. What gets called first?
You can do it. I believe in you.
What gets called first here? Oh, oopsie. Alright, let's try this. Let's do that instead. Because, what gets called first? Alright, that gets called. Alright, the other one doesn't get called. You can do it. I believe in you. Thanks, Quinn, for the super chat there. I appreciate you. I dislike this laggy bow. Alright, so if we don't end up doing the rebound, what I'm going to do... Let's revert that to like that maybe. Ah, lovely smooth bow. Don't know why it wasn't smooth, unless I gotta tell it to go this.world.is. I've got to calculate the first and the last position, which is easy to do. easy to calculate that. Let's see if we can do it. So that's what that's actually coming out as. System out X Y plus C. What's that coming out as? Is it coming out as like random crap? Oh, we should do entity. Alright, so it shouldn't be laggy, but I'm pretty sure we can just calculate ourselves. We'll just do double X. Do render. Where's it get called from? Render manager. X, Y, Z. DO. So it already does it. Last tick, pos tick. Unless it was prev. Alright, now let's just do... Ooh, no. Let's not do last render tick. Let's say X, Y, Z. Whoa. Take get Minecraft.player.pos X. Isn't there prev pos X? No. Is it the same? I think it's the right anyway, just because the client side apparently is not, like, it's just laggy. I want it to be smooth jazz. So like, just if I do that, it works, but like gives off this really weird like glitch. Yeah, smooth would be better. What happens if I do if this.world.is remote? So the client side doesn't get the speed. It doesn't get the speed variable. I just want to see if this works. I want to see if this works. So there's entity boat, right? We're talking about this a couple of days ago. I think it's like here. Data parameters. Is this gonna work, right? So we'll say, let's call this speed. That's a double. And then we'll do var. Oh, it might have to be a float. Create key. I need to hold up. We have a wrong thing here, double. Maybe create a float. Do it as that. And then on, I think it's this dot register. Where is it? This dot data manager. Register speed. See. 0F. And then we'll say get speed. I'm gonna say float with speed dot get. How does it actually work? Forward direction get. Oh, this dot data manager. Dot get speed dot. Oh, we can get it as a double. Oopsie, not static. Don't know why I typed that in. So we can say this dot well dot. This is like experimental right here. I've never done this before. I'm not sure if it's actually going to work. Maybe doing packet handlers and the speed to the client. I mean, that's possible, you know, but like, if this like does what I think it does, then, so we can do like, set speed, void, double speed. Set speed. Like, how do we actually set the speed? Set. Oh, oopsie. Speed. Set. Oopsie. double. Alright, there we go. Set speed, and then we'll say this dot set speed, current speed, and I'll say this dot current speed. I'll still, I reckon, still have like a local one. Maybe not even do that there, just do it here. But we need to say this this dot get speed. So it shouldn't even use that technically. Should get rid of that. We'll have like double current speed equals that. And then current speed, set speed times 0.58. Oh, I need to reload. When I open Discord, nothing shows up at all. It's just all windows with Discord at the top left and the buttons at the top left. I'm not sure. It's a bit strange. In screenshots on the device at your server, I made a pic in pixel painters and it really shows what the model is capable of. Alright, let's have a look. It's the images, screenshots. Oh wow, dude. That's pretty good. That's an amazing picture. A lot of detail into it as well. Yeah, you can definitely create some cool stuff if you put in the time. Yeah, that would be a good spot for using Data Manager. If it works, it works. Oh, and it looks like it works. Which is awesome, because I've never discovered this feature before. It's like a synchronization thing, my god. This is beautiful, guys. This beautiful. I've never heard of it. I've never heard of it before. How do we get like the momentum? Maybe we should do like entity in motion X. What's that? Go away. Alright, so apparently our motion's not. Ah, maybe we didn't do that right. Okay, apparently that's wrong. Chasing POSIX. What's that? Don't know. Dot Why doesn't the motion work? Motion X plus entity in dot motion Z. Never knew about that data manager thing. That looks really cool. I mean, it's working really well, that data manager thing. So like, it works if I'm, you know, jumping, but when I'm walking it right, it doesn't. Does Cray think See You Again is not a good song? It's a good song. I never said it wasn't. Speed. Oh, there we go. Might be able to actually do this. Do this times 10. So like running and kicking it will actually do it further. So you can actually just walk instead and it'll have littler. Boom. I really want to I want to be able to like power so you can actually kick it far. But I think like just for now, just for the initial kind of mod, we'll have it so like, you know, because like, it doesn't work too bad. Like even if it gets caught like in a corner like this, you can easily get it out, which is kind of nice. Like it's not, you know, it's not lost forever. What we'll do is we're going to add in some roll to it now. So let's get rid of this. Pretty simple. I love that data manager. I'm not gonna lie. I love that data manager. Thank you, data manager. Can we get some hype for the data manager for being awesome? Yeah, make it spin. That's what I want to do. So that is. We should be able to just do get speed. Speed. So we'll have like a public double roll. We have current roll, public double priv roll, outside only, client roll, previous bread roll, data manager hype. It worked well though. It worked well. We'll say if world.is remote, so client side. We'll say this dot current roll equals do it here. We'll say plus equals 45 f times current speed. What is the max speed though? Oopsie. Yeah, it's fine. Can't speed. say this dot prev row equals this dot current row. Just because I really shouldn't use like half this stuff. We can just do like that. I don't know. What I would just use this. I think like one of the most confusing things is like when to use this, because like really all these could just be like, you know, this, but sometimes, you know, it could be like super. I don't know. I don't think you do. I don't know. You can point at stuff. Look at the showcase. Oh, pointing mod. Monday's mod was a pointing mod. Yeah, I just put the actual thing up on my main channel. I don't even know how it's going. Let's have a look. Because I uploaded it last night. It's not doing too. Hey, my latest video is not doing too bad either. 23,000. Nice. That's the best I've done in a while. Best I've done. How to point at blocks in Minecraft. 3.7k views. Rip. I knew it wasn't going to be a big video because it wasn't like exciting. It wasn't exciting enough. So we have current row, and then inside of the render soccer ball, we need to do a geostat manager rotate entity. Whoops. I know they. We have to do double roll equals entity dot prev row plus entity dot current row take entity dot prev row times partial ticks. Rotate that. I think it's on the. Let's say float. Doing the worst way. Cast that to a float. Oh, it stopped. Whatever. How to place any item as a block. I've already recorded the actual ATV mod video, which is cool. Recorded that. Whoa! That's kind of cool. We need to rotate it though. Rotate it. Entity your. Negative. Alright, we need to rotate it more. Let's do like 90. Yeah, dude, that's sick. Let's go toggle. Weather. Weather. Clear. Game rule. 2. False. Time set. 16. Man. Boom. That's cool. Let's get a sound going as well, I reckon. So you guys, who's here? Who's a sponsor? Who's going to join in on after we upload this to the server and have like a little soccer match? It's a gigantic bowl, but I think it's better having a gigantic bowl. What do you guys think? Better having a gigantic bowl? I'm just thinking maybe we change the motion down a little bit. Ooh. Me. If you guys want to join in on the action, become a sponsor, because we're going to be hopping on the sponsor server with this mod and have a little bit of fun. That's kind of the difference I'm doing kind of this mod week, because last time we're actually doing something that wasn't allowed, so I wanted to do something that was, you know, within the EULA. So if you guys become a sponsor, you know, it supports me, and so yeah, when you actually sponsor, don't think about, you know, it's just like you're paying to get on a server. You're actually supporting me in a way, and it helps me out quite a lot. You know, it does help me out. You also get some cool custom emojis. You get to go on a premium section on the Discord servers, so on both the API and the Mr. Crayfish Devs Discord server. How does one become a sponsor? So there's like should be like a button above the chat, or you might have to go to YouTube Gaming. Might have to go to YouTube Gaming. Let's go to this view so you guys can see it a bit better. Boom. Let's go ahead. Let's take off, right? Let's take off this. Set false. Let that wait for a little sec. There we go. Oh yeah. We're gonna have a mad game of soccer. Yeah, I definitely think we need to add in like power. We need to add in like power. Oh, he scores! Oh! He scores! This is going to be so fun on the server, I tell you right now. We're going to have a ton of fun, I tell you. I might even just keep using this texture, I'm not sure. I don't want to like, because it's like might be copyright. And I'm really not about using copyright. Soccer ball texture. Has to be a sphere. We'll see, we'll visit the page, see what it says. Is there any license on this? I'm gonna have to assume copyright. 2017. Yeah, I don't know how. Yeah, I don't know. Alright, let's add in a sound for this. Cray, do you think? Full moderator. Already, yeah, you've asked that a lot, Jackson plays. I would keep down with asking me, because, yeah. I'll have to talk to King Yoshi. Yeah, well, sponsoring means paying. Sponsor does cost money. Yeah. gonna be like a really derpy game of soccer. We're gonna build like a soccer pitch. Alright, let's go ahead, let's get a sound. Alright, free sound. Let's get a sound going for this so when we actually kick it. Soccer ball. Soccer ball. Hopefully we can get like a kick. That's a cool sound. That's not a soccer. That sounds cool. What's the license under it? I think it works in it. Okay, cool. We can use it. Just making sure the license is all good. I've gotta just give credit. I'm just gonna give credit. Alright, so let's go. Show an explorer. Soccer, I think sounds. Audacity. Can't believe you have the audacity to edit that. Edit this. Can't believe I have the audacity to edit that. It's like a nice clean sound. Doom. Can't believe I have the audacity to edit that sound. I can't believe I have that. Definition. Pretty sure it's a word. Audacity, definition. The willingness to take bold risks. Can't believe I had the audacity to edit that sound. I'm crazy. I'm literal crazy. Laggy Cray, for me it's every minute. Shouldn't be. Haven't dropped any frames, it might be YouTube. Hopefully it doesn't start. Let me know if it's lagging or not. Let me know if it's good or not, guys. Laggy still? If you guys give me 2 secs, maybe I can fix it up. We'll see, I don't know. Very laggy. Why is it suddenly laggy? It shouldn't be. Don't know why. Oops. Let me know if it gets better. It's not my internet. It says it's fine. It's still connected right now. Let me have a look. Let me have a look at the lag. If you guys are enjoying this so far, I mean, probably not a good time to do it, but okay, yeah, I noticed it. Okay. Give me 2 seconds. Let's see if this will fix it up. Alright, the stream might stop right now. Let me know if it's laggy or not. It's fine now. Let me know if it's still laggy or not. Let me know if it's better or not. Hit the like button to to fix my internet. Do it to fix my internet. Mine hasn't lagged in a while. Kick bowl. Let me know if it's laggy. And no trolling either. So I know half of you guys like to troll. I'll say, is it laggy? Be like, it's laggy! Pray for Cray. Don't say rip. Alright, give me 2 seconds. Alright, I'll be back. How about now? Or is that gonna, like, just not do good? Oh my god, we lost viewers because I stopped. We lost viewers because I literally stopped. Everybody left! Come on, is this thing working? Everybody leaving, holy shoot. Holy shoot. We lost like 1 billion viewers because everybody just... I don't understand it, like, right? I'm live streaming. I'm like, okay, I'll be back in a second. The stream might stop. Everybody leaves. Everybody literally leaves. Can anyone, like, explain that, please? Can anyone explain that? I literally say to people, I'm literally stopping for a second. Everybody leaves. We had like 30, 40 viewers. Now we have 15. Like, what? My god. Where the fudging did this lag come from? I'm not even doing anything on my internet. I'm not even doing anything on my internet. This is exactly the same. Stream settings, everything. Why? My god. Is it working? Are we here? Guys, are we here? Are we here? You guys aren't... Give me a sign. We just lost all our viewers. Great. Awesome. Oh my god. Don't lie to me if you're lying if there's lag, alright? Because it's not helping. If it's legit lagging, say it's legit lagging. Otherwise, I can't really do too much. I have to restart the whole entire live stream. Because... Why is it lagging? My god! Why does it just suddenly lag? What the... I almost want to swear. They lagged out and not left. Can someone tell me if it's legit? I can't fix this up unless I actually reschedule the whole entire live stream. I can't fix it up unless I reschedule the whole entire live stream. It means starting a whole new live stream thing. There's nothing I can do. Stopping it and restarting doesn't do anything. Why is it just stopped? My god. Why? My god. I didn't even do anything. It literally started lagging at literally 12. Oh wait, what time's that? 12. Started lagging at 12 o'clock apparently. Which is like an hour ago. Well, if I can't get this fixed. If I... Well, rip stream, rip today. Why did it just... Why? Why does it just end off like that? Like, it literally been perfect the whole entire time and then it just stops. Like, what is going on? Why is it crap? Oh my god. Just shit. Alright, rip. Alright, rip. You won't be able to hear me now. If you can hear me now. Why does it suddenly just go crap right now? Why does it suddenly just go crap? I don't know. Stopping.